As worshippers inside the nearly empty Commission Church in London awaited the arrival of Pastor David Kiganda, little did they know that he would face criticism. When some Ugandans living in the UK learned of his presence, they stormed the church premises to protest.
Some people are gay. Some people are gay.
These are Ugandans who claim they are exiled because they were persecuted in their own country for being gay.
If we go back to our country, we are going to be killed. So that's the reason why we are here to protest.
We have blood that flows through us. And being a gay, it's not by choice. You are born when you're a gay. And personally, I was born a gay.
They accused Pastor Kiganda of being homophobic.
What Pastor Kiganda has said is really wrong. Nobody has to criticize any gay, and we have the right to do what we want to do.
We don't support what Kiganda is saying, and we call the country everywhere, every gay where it is. Be strong, we are here supporting you.
As Pastor Kiganda made his way to the church, the protesters had laid siege. When he arrived, Kiganda faced criticism from the crowds which were baying for him.
Shame on you! 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 Shame on you!
Pastor Kiganda preaches fire and brimstone. He is among those who are pushing for the retabling of the Anti-Homosexuality Bill. Earlier on, the Anti-Homosexuality Act was struck down by the Constitutional Court on technicalities that there was no quorum in the House when it was passed into law. Solomon Kawesa, NTV.
Uganda! Our